Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Godfrey, local, and long distance movers near me. We provide the right, reliable, long distance moving solutions to help make your move so much simpler. Whether you're moving just one state over or you need to move across the country, we're here to help you. The right moving services help make all the difference, and our team offers just what you require for your upcoming move. Along with the basic long distance moving services, we also help provide each of the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. It might not be very easy to reconcile the expense of getting an Illinois moving company. However, if you start to realize the benefits, the expense seems well worth it. Any good moving company will certainly help you save time on your local move. You'll also get to eliminate the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. When you work with our movers, you receive pros ready to make your local move super simple. When moving with a company like 3 Movers, you obtain a streamlined solution for moving day. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can easily get it done fast. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Godfrey moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.